Today we made our candy board for our beehive. We used about 20 pounds of sugar and we mixed it with 2 cups of water. We went to our local hardware store and bought this paint mixer that attached to our drill. We poured it into our candy board that we bought last year at our local bee supplier. We packed it into the corners and packed it down as best that we could. We smoothed it out and put our last final touches on it. We'll let this dry over the next 24 to 48 hours and harden before we put it on our hive.